The same hellish sun, the same thirst. The summer was coming to an end. Faster! I had no strength left. Faster! Faster! What a word! Faster, you tramps, you flea-ridden dogs! I fled. You must have died, trampled under the feet of the thousands of men who followed us. These human waves were rolling forward, crushed, trampled, dying, trampling, tearing, mauling each other, beasts of prey unleashed, animal hate in their eyes. Observe these emaciated creatures ready to kill for a crust of bread. Groaning, moaning, the lament spread, contagious. Hundreds of cries rose at once, the death rattle of an entire convoy. All this under a magnificent blue sky. An infernal heat was rising. I see a fire! Look at the fire! Look at the flames! The old, the sick, families, like cattle in the slaughterhouse, anguish on their faces. The small faces of the children whose bodies transformed into smoke. Those flames that consumed my faith forever. The nocturnal silence that deprived me of the desire to live. Moments murdered my God and my soul and turned my dreams to ashes. I was alone without God, without man, without love or mercy. Where is God? This is where, hanging here from this gallows. Why would I bless him? Every fiber in me rebelled. In his great might, he had created Auschwitz, Birkenau, Buna, and factories of death. One more stab to the heart, one more reason to hate, one less reason to live. In this place, there is no such thing as father, brother, friend. Flames silently, gently, devoured him bit by bit. Have mercy, mercy, have mercy. I suffered in my soul and my flesh. Winter arrived, and I was nothing but ashes.